Welcome to the Ultimate Cat versus Dog Reaction Challenge. Today, we're putting our furry friends to the test. Who's braver? Who hides? Who pounces? Get ready for some hilarious and unexpected reactions. First up, we're exposing our cat and dog to a series of strange and unexpected sounds. Let's see how they react. Next, it's time for new toys. Will they be excited, curious, or completely uninterested? You won't want to miss this. Finally, we have some surprises in store. Prepare for jumps, zoomies, and maybe even a few confused stares. Here's a montage of the most hilarious and heartwarming moments from our challenge. Which reaction is your favorite? So who won the Ultimate Cat versus Dog Reaction Challenge? You decide. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.